Math Blast 18, Grade 3. Determining the unknown. Fill in the missing factor. 6 multiplied by what equals 18? Well, the 6 tells me how many rows I have, so I'm going to draw 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now I need to add to those rows until I get 18. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I have 6 rows. I have a total of 18. Well, if I look, I have 3 in each row. So 6 multiplied by 3 is 18. 36 equals 9 multiplied by what? Well, this tells me I have 9 rows, and I have a total of 36. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now I'm going to keep adding to those rows until I get a total of 36. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So I have a total of 36. I have 9 rows, and if you look, I have 4 in each row. Okay? 27 divided by 9. Okay? Well, I'm going to build 27, so I'm going to use that, kind of using 5 groups there. So there's 10. There's 20. And there's 27. Now, I need to divide that into sets or groups of 9. So I'm going to circle those. So here's one group of 9. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's another group of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And there's my final group of 9. Well, if you notice, I have 1, 2, 3 groups of 9. So equals 3. 10 equals what divided by 3? Okay, so this tells me I have 3 groups. So I'm going to put my 3 groups, and there are 10 in each group. And now I can just count up how many are in total. 10, 20, 30. So there are 30 total. So 30 divided by 3 equals 10. A group of 4 friends were given 2 bags of marbles. Each bag contained 8 marbles. If the 4 friends share the marbles equally, how many marbles will each friend get? Okay. Well, first I need to determine the total number of marbles. Well, it tells me that there are 2 bags of marbles. I want to draw my 2 bags. This one has 8, and then I have another bag with 8. And I know total, if I put those marbles together, I have 16 marbles. Okay, so I have 16 marbles. Now, the 4 friends share the marbles equally. So I'm going to draw my 4 friends. Okay. Now they're going to share these equally, and I have 16 marbles. So let's just kind of do some fair sharing here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I've shared all 16 marbles. And if you look, each friend receives 4 marbles. Okay. Area side measurements. Carter wants to tile a floor using 1 square foot tiles. How many tiles will he need? Well, let's look. So first, I have 6 feet here. So I'm going to divide this box up into 6 1-foot sections. So cut here, and I'm going to cut each of these into 3. Okay, I want to try to make those as equal as I can as far as here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now I'm going to do the same thing here with my 4 feet. I'm going to separate these into 1-foot sections. So again, they do not have to be perfect as long as they're close. So very close. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I just simply need to count them up. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So how many tiles will he need? 24 tiles. Okay. Shape attributes. Check all that apply for the given shape. So we have this figure right here, shape. Now we have quadrilateral, parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, and square. And these kind of go in a hierarchy or order. So to be a parallelogram, you must first be a quadrilateral. To be a rectangle, you have to be a parallelogram and a quadrilateral. Okay. Now, let's just look at some criteria for each one. So first, quadrilateral. That has to be 4 sides. So a 4-sided polygon. To be a parallelogram, you have to have 2 sets of parallel sides. This is the symbol for parallel that we use a lot in geometry. Rectangle, you have to be a parallelogram quadrilateral with 4 right angles. To be a rhombus, you need to be a parallelogram quadrilateral with 4 equal sides. And to be a square, you must be a parallelogram quadrilateral with 4 right angles and 4 equal sides. So you have to be, I'd have to check all of these in order to be able to check the square box. Okay, so let's look at this figure right here. Is it a 4-sided polygon? Well, I look here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. They're all straight sides. There's no curves, no gaps or openings. So that's a 4-sided polygon. So yes, it is a quadrilateral. To be a parallelogram, it has to have 2 sets of parallel sides. That means if I extended them out, they wouldn't touch. Well, this side is parallel to this side, so they wouldn't touch. Think of like railroad tracks. But this side here, if I extended it, and this side here, if I extended it, they would eventually meet right here, so they are not parallel. Well, then it can't be a parallelogram, so that means it can't be a rectangle, rhombus, or a square. So I'm done with this question. Partition a shape into 3 equal parts. Write the area of each part as a unit fraction of the whole. Okay, so first, partition the shape into 3 equal parts. That just means I'm going to separate the shape into 3 equal parts. So notice those are fairly equal there. Write the area of each part as a unit fraction of the whole. Well, to write the unit fraction, what I do is I look at how many pieces I have. So this whole shape is divided into 3 equal parts. So the 3 is my denominator, which tells me how many equal pieces it's separated into. And now my numerator is how many of those pieces are right here. So this is 1 piece of the 3. So 1 piece of the 3 pieces. Same here. We have 1 piece of the 3 pieces. Here, 1 of the 3 pieces. So that is how to partition shapes. Thank you.